Hello viewers, welcome to back again now. How to make money online. I am sharing new earning application, unlimited PayPal cash. First time application, download now and sign up your account. Okay, manually sign up, recommend and your username and your name and password and email address. Google automatically signing not available. Account verification, open your email address and confirm your email. Okay, and confirm OTP. Successfully log in my account. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel. Daily check-in, 25 coins earning offer all unlimited. Okay, ads available and survey available. 25 USD, not 25 USD, only 25 coins. I am not sure. Okay, try to use. Okay, and offer wall and next offer wall I am shared. This earning application 100% legit, 100% trusted. Okay, trust me. And offer wall complete this interaction, follow and complete this survey offer. Okay, and I am back again now and I'm just click now next offer. Okay, and 100 coins free, 100 plus coins free, spin and win, spin and 1 day 1 spin available. Okay, 2 coins earning and I am back again now. Okay, and I am just click now games option, games play and earning unlimited. Okay, games open and games playing now, unlimited coins earning. Okay, very easily earning process. And I am back again now. Invitation code, use my invitation code $30, sorry, 30 coins free. I am use my friend referral code 30 coins free. Okay, and I am just click now redeem options, only 1000 coins earning $1, 4000 coins $5. Thanks for watching my video. 100% legit app. Thank you.